What is going up, everyone? Alright, so in today's episode, we are going to be talking about how I can become a trader. But before we jump into this, I know I haven't been posting a lot lately. I've been crazy busy. So if you guys want me to go back doing my live trades, all you got to do is comment and say, have more live trades, stuff like that. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be talking about how to become a day trader here. And really, there's a couple steps that I would highly recommend doing. And everything that I'm going to be talking about is 100%, you can take it. You can take it or you can leave it, pretty much. So the first thing that I would recommend doing is gaining as much knowledge as you can. I know this seems pretty basic, but one of the main rules that one of the main ways traders fail is through lack of education. And a lot of people think that they can just put their money into the market and they will automatically be granted a sum of cash. Well, that's not how it works. It takes time, it takes patience, and it takes practice. If you have patience and practice and drive, really, this will be a very successful career for you. Because, just paper trading alone, paper trading is simulation trading. You should do that for about a year. But we're getting too far ahead of ourselves here. So let's kind of take it back a step. So what I would recommend doing is, having to gain as much knowledge as you can, whether that's through YouTube videos, books, or any other type of informative, and take that and really just try to pick out key things that you find understanding and things that you find very interesting. So kind of, go through a book and just study it and make sure you understand it. And really the second thing that I would recommend doing here is whether you can enroll in a course. There are a lot of courses out there that work very good. Mine is not done yet. I'm making mine the best of my ability. I thought it would be done by the summer, but there's always stuff you can add to a trading course, whether it's strategies, different types of breakouts, or anything like that. So, really just enroll in a course, and you want to be around a community of people who are like-minded. So whether that community is just a chat room, you guys can join mine. Mine's 100% free. Yeah, I don't have a lot of members in it, but it's awesome. I love it. All right, so join a trading room or a chat or a course. I would recommend doing that because if you take, let's say if the course is $100 or $300, that will definitely you'll definitely make your money back with it. Because if you just put your money out there, you will most likely 90% of the time or 86% of the time you will lose it. So that's for inexperienced traders or new traders. 86% of beginner traders fail. So you're gonna have to try to put yourself a step up above them. So get a course, and whether that course is just an introduction, it will definitely help. All right, and the third or fourth thing, I'm kind of losing track here, is to start paper trading. So once you find a course, you find a community of people, you're going to want to start paper trading. Now this is where you're going to spend a lot of your time every day. Paper trading, checking the markets. I paper trade probably almost every day. I have a broker's account, but I always want to practice new setups. So I always do. You guys are more than welcome to join. And you can kind of see my strategies in action. So once you get a paper trading chat room or a paper trading simulator, there's a ton of them. There's Ninja Trader, there's Sure Trader or DAS Trader. There's Thinkorswim. There's a ton of trading softwares, real time, and Thinkorswim's 100% free. That's why I use it. But there's also MarketWatch, which I also use. For people who don't want to download a software to their computer, I would recommend them doing that. But so once you paper trade for about 6 months, during that time you guys should be really perfecting a strategy and making your own strategy. So, what I did when I was paper trading, I found a ton of, people, and I picked bits and pieces from their strategies, like Warrior Trading, Ricky Gutierrez, Patrick, what's his name? I don't know. I always forget his last name. So I really learned a lot from them, and I kind of picked stuff that I liked that they did, and I kind of made it my own in my own little way. So once I figured out what my strategy was, I printed it out so I have a textbook set up, and so I can trade that almost 85% win rate. It's crazy, but it has to be perfect. It has to go through all those criteria in my strategy to make it worth it. So once you make a strategy, the next step is just practice, because this is a career. It's not so much a hobby. You're going to have to spend about 4 years, just as much as a college education, just really buckling down and learning the market. And, it will definitely make it up to you in the long run. See, I've only been doing this for about 2 years now. And I try to learn something new every day. I read about a book a month on stock trading. I love it. I always like to, learn more about the stock market and trading and everything. So that's how I would start. That's how I would begin my journey here. Hold on. My thing just. Yeah, so that's how I would begin my journey to become a day trader. So really just follow those steps and you will be successful. Alright, so that's it though for me today. There's going to be no Friday stock talk this week. I am exhausted. I'm very tired. Woke up at like 5 a.m. today. And went to bed at like midnight or 1, so I'm running on 4 hours of sleep. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please sure to like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Peace out.